Welcome to Module 10 of the S4 Virtual Bootcamp, Top 10 Review. In order to protect the health of both our staff and our partners, we made the decision to discontinue our 2-day S4 Bootcamp training sessions. We hope that this series of presentations capture the essence of an in-person bootcamp. I'm Steve Jones, your presenter for this module. Some years ago, one of our distributor partners challenged us to provide them with 10 reasons why a Tritium integrator would want to utilize the S4 Open BACnet-N2 router instead of purchasing a third-party N2 driver to load into a Jace. It turns out that this same top 10 list is applicable to any integration project with the S4 router. So number one, the N2 router supports any N2 device that you will find on an N2 bus, including N2 Open, VMA, vendor devices, Metasys integrator, and Centaurus integrator. Supports N2 read, write, override, and release transactions for any point, limited only by the programming in the N2 device itself. Number two. The Upstream Interface enables the coexistence with the Metasys head end. This is a key feature in cases where minimal or zero downtime is mandated. The entire legacy Metasys system is turned into an open environment on day one. The building owner and operator now has a world of non-proprietary options to choose from to expand and enhance their building while extending the useful life of the Metasys systems they have already invested in. Number three, Auto Discovery and Configure Wizard, facilitated by our robust library of device templates, which predefined point mapping for each Metasys device and application. Custom templates can also be generated from Metasys resource files. All minimize the labor hours required to integrate your N2 devices to BACnet. Number four, you can use all of the features of HVAC Pro and GX-9100, including uploading and downloading devices. The N2 router will provide a replacement for the Metasys pass-through option for the configuration and commissioning utilities at some time in the near future. Number five, in buildings with older and potentially less reliable N2 devices, the BACnet N2 router automatically resets N2 devices when multiple retries of an operation fail. Performance statistics track the number of times that this action is taken. Number six, the N2 router products expose all N2 device points to the new head end, even those that JCI doesn't normally expose to their operator workstation, such as tuning parameters. Number seven, the N2 router products work independently of any database, priority, or security settings in the Metasys supervisory controller. Number eight, the N2 router products establish a very cost-effective gateway to BACnet IP in the short term, quickly adding value and extending the life of legacy systems. The S4 Open appliance can perform as either a gateway or an on-site agent. This facilitates the migration away from Metasys N2 devices on the longer term. Number nine, the N2 router can force the N2 data stream from legacy Metasys supervisory controllers, and NCM for instance, to participate in the BACnet priority array mechanism, giving the integrator complete control over which head end is commanding each point. No other product has this supervisory controller as a BACnet client capability. Number 10, We publish each N2 device as its own emulated BACnet IP device within a virtual BACnet network. Many of you have heard me say over the years, we are not successful until you are successful. Thank you for your time and attention. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have questions about the S4 Open BACnet-N2 router or would like to discuss a specific project that we might work together on to create another success story.